Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm in Dallas and everything here is just plain hot. So I got this here fan. I've been trying to get a few different fans I can put around to keep me cool. But this one here, desktop fan it says, and we will look at it here. I'll show you it. We will open it up and I'll explain what we got. So this is it here. This is a little fan. We can see it's obviously battery powered and it has a rechargeable battery. But there it's like on number 1, 2, 3, so we got all the different numbers here, 4, 5, so we got 5 different settings. If we hold it down, we got the light too, so then we can hold it down to get a light on and off. I don't know, can you guys see it when I do that? I don't know if you can, but it is lighting up and going on and off, this little light here in the center, so that's kind of cool. Oh man, that feels nice. And so then we have the little thing here, so we could hang it on something if I wanted to hang it from somewhere, or you can kind of put it like this. I'll probably kind of try to mount it here, put it like this onto the table, so it'll be blowing at me when I'm working on my computer. And then, so what we got here, so I'll just show you guys that. Let me turn it off for a second. I don't know, can you hear it? It's really quiet, and it's on level 3. And it's blowing. You can probably see my hair that I forgot to brush today is blowing. And then there's 4, there's 5. So this is the loudest and fastest it's going. So you can kind of hear it there maybe, but it's really super quiet, and it does blow. So then let me turn it off. So there, just keep pushing it until it goes off. And then it's rechargeable here. I can see on the side right there, you have the little USB-C port. So you can just plug it in there and plug it into your computer, to your charging dock, whatever, to get it charged. So how cool is that? And it's got nice, solid plastic, housing, and the blades are nice plastic. Looks like a see-through-ish kind of plastic as well. So it's really nice, attractive. It looks like it does come in other colors if you really wanted to get other colors. I didn't even think about picking colors, but I'm colorblind anyway. So, but you get the idea, and this is it. So really cool fan. Thumbs up from me.